Good morning. Another day's passed. Just wanted to take a peek at the little rapids and kind of almost a mini waterfall forming over here. As you see, it's changed since yesterday. And what you can't see is how twisty and windy it is just above. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Up above you can see better, but you're further back, so I compromised. Listen to that sound, beautiful. It's actually warmed up. Yesterday it was about 5 when I was down here. I just looked. It's about 17, 18 degrees right now. It's supposed to turn into rain later today. Yuck. And it's snowing lightly right now, as you may be able to see. Wish it'd stay about this temperature and snow some more. It's always so beautiful. Just beyond the brush there, the tree that's sort of in the water, you can see on the other side where there's open water again. There's a lot of ice here. Again, not enough to stand on for sure. And as it's warming up, it's becoming even less so. I'm going to zoom back. I've zoomed in just a little bit. Oh, the sound of water, the sensations. It looks like a small amount of water to most of you, but in reality, there's about 25, 30 feet of width right in that area you're looking at. And it's only about a yard or so of open water, but the rest of the water is going somewhere, and guess what? It's going underneath the ice. Doesn't that sound beautiful? Well, I'm going to let you go now. You all have a great day from Dan, Karen, and the girls in Machias, New York. Goodbye now.